Hey people, so these are these little celebrities. There are 5 of them. I'd want to just cover them so that, and this is the mother rabbit. And strangely now I have another rabbit who is in the family way. I mean, probably another 1 week later I will be posting the pictures of another set of baby rabbits. So yeah, this is how the boy rabbits are outside in the balcony, because it is so difficult, yeah, because this little girl, see, her puppies are all covered by that thing. Here you can see them, right? No, it's so difficult that the male rabbit was again after this female rabbit for you know, fornication purposes. So it was just being a rabbit parent is, so I had to like almost, oh Grace, you shouldn't fall on them, yeah. Water this thing. Just look at them, yeah, how cute they look. They just look so cute. And that's a banana. So I guess I'll let them be. Cover them properly. Yeah. So I'm just so happy. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.